React, the Future of Mobile Applications by Minsky. Before we get into what React is and how it functions, it is important to know the base language that is used, which in this case is JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level scripting language that is mainly used for creating dynamic content, especially multimedia used on applications or websites. Because of this fact, JavaScript is used in close conjunction with HTML and CSS technologies. JavaScript uses functions, which are blocks of code that execute a specific task. JavaScript is a very popular language choice due to its flexibility and a wide variety of library options to choose from. With JavaScript, almost anything is possible to create. This is where React comes in. React, or also known as React.js, is a library that allows the creator to build complex yet user-friendly interfaces for their applications. This is achieved using what's called components, or pre-existing code that can be modified to fit exactly the creator's vision. Because it uses JavaScript as the language, data is easily passed through and kept track of. React is mainly used with the Node framework and for web applications. React was first born in 2011 by a software engineer from Facebook. It was influenced by something called XHP, which was the HTML framework for PHP, another web-based technology. As it was being developed, React was mainly used by Facebook for their news feed, and then later brought to another Facebook-owned application, Instagram. This was because it was developed in 2011 by Jordan Walk, an actual developer from Facebook. But in May 2013, at a JavaScript conference, React was made open source and therefore available for anybody to use. Not too long later, React Native for iOS and Android platforms was developed and also made open source. This changed how mobile applications were developed. Some React projects include Gatsby, a static website generator. There's also a game called Fallout Pip-Boy, and a notes app called Kajiro. Just from these three examples, you can see the diverse functionality of the React library and how easily it can be manipulated for just about anything. So why use React for mobile applications? For one, it offers cross-platform development. This means you can write one code base and use it for both Android and iOS without sacrificing performance, which is very important in the app world. In relation to this, React allows for only one language instead of needing a wide variety. As mentioned before, it uses JavaScript, a very flexible language. With React, you can also have complex actions that utilizes very simple code blocks, which is where those components mentioned before come in. Because of the simple code and singular language, almost anyone can create a fully functioning complex web app that is not only simple to use and simple to create, but also cost-effective as well.